Welcome. Today we'll show you how Claude Code can automatically generate a complete educational video from a single prompt. Before we start, you'll need a few tools. Node.js and Python for the environment, LibreOffice to convert slides to images, Python pptx and edge-tts for slides and voiceover, ffmpeg to assemble the video, and Claude Code. The workflow has 4 steps. You tell Claude Code what you want, it generates the slides, the voiceover, and finally uses ffmpeg to assemble a complete MP4, fully automated. Now let's do a live demo. Paste this prompt into Claude Code, and it will ask you a few questions to confirm the topic and format, then automatically generate the entire video. We paste the prompt from the previous slide into Claude Code. Why AI hallucinates? 4. English. Auto-generate. Got it, generating slides, audio, and video. Let's wait for AI to generate. Let's take a look at the generated video. Called a hallucination. The AI isn't lying. It just doesn't know what it doesn't know. To understand why this happens, you need to know how AI works under the hood. A large language model doesn't look things up. It predicts the next word based on patterns it learned from billions of text examples. There's no fact database. No checking. Just pattern matching. When an AI doesn't know the answer, it doesn't say "I don't know." Instead, it generates the most plausible sounding response, even if that response is wrong. It's optimized to sound right, not to be right. That's a fundamental difference. So what can you do? Simple, don't trust AI blindly. Use it as a smart first draft, then verify anything important. Ask it to show its sources. And remember, the more confident it sounds, the more carefully you should check. From requirements to video, Claude Code handles everything automatically. Now it's your turn, try it with this prompt.